Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Understanding Python List Memory Management, Why Lists Don't Deallocate Memory After Clearing. Introduction. Python is a high-level programming language known for its simplicity and ease of use. One of the essential data structures in Python is the list, which allows you to store collections of items. While working with Python lists, you may notice that the memory used by a list does not always get deallocated immediately after clearing its elements. In this tutorial, we'll explore the reasons behind this behavior and learn how to manage memory effectively when working with lists. In Python, a list is a versatile data structure that can store multiple elements of different data types. Lists are created using square brackets and can be modified dynamically. However, removing elements from a list doesn't necessarily mean that the memory they occupied will be instantly released. To clear the elements of a list in Python, you can use the clear method or simply reassign an empty list to the variable. Here's how it's done. This empties the list, but it doesn't guarantee that the memory previously allocated to the list is immediately released. Python's memory management system decides when and how to deallocate the memory. Python uses a technique called reference counting for memory management. Each object in memory has a reference count that tracks how many references, variables, point to it. When the reference count drops to 0, the memory is deallocated. For lists, Python uses an additional memory optimization technique called garbage collection. This means that even after clearing a list, the memory might not be immediately deallocated. The reason for this is that Python doesn't want to allocate and deallocate memory frequently, as that can be a costly operation in terms of performance. To see Python's memory management in action, you can use the sys module, which provides functions to interact with Python's runtime environment. You'll notice that the memory usage doesn't decrease significantly after clearing the list. This is because Python retains some of the memory for potential future use. If you want to forcefully deallocate the memory used by a list after clearing it, you can use the del statement to remove the reference to the list. This effectively removes the list and its reference count drops to 0, allowing Python's memory management to reclaim the memory. In Python, lists do not immediately deallocate memory after clearing their elements. Python's memory management system employs techniques like reference counting and garbage collection to optimize memory usage. While this behavior is usually not a concern, you can use the del statement to force immediate memory deallocation when needed. Understanding how Python manages memory can help you write more efficient and memory-conscious code, especially when dealing with large data structures. ChatGPT.